My name's Ricky and my fitness business is called Mana Muscle. Now I've been working with Dan for almost 3 months. Now it's more than just his credentials that make him such a great mentor. He's someone who's already done the hard work and has a well-established business. He has a vast wealth of knowledge and can relate to many of the challenges you're facing. There's always a good chance Dan's come across the issues you've had before and has the resources to help you. Now, building a successful business doesn't happen overnight. Dan has a systemized approach and makes growing your business seem like a step-by-step process. However, be prepared to do the work. I have a regular Zoom call with Dan where I'm left with homework, prioritizing the tasks that are going to move my business in the right direction. His regular check-ins will keep you accountable, and he's also responsive if you need help. Now, he's dedicated to providing the value and help you need to succeed. Working with him has been an absolute game changer. I'd highly recommend him to anyone wanting to mold their passion into a flourishing business.